Today, we're going to be little gardeners. We'll learn about plants, animals that live in the garden, and all the fun things we can do outside. Are you ready to get your hands dirty? I am watering the plants. I am watering the plants. I am planting seeds in the soil. I am planting seeds in the soil. I am digging a hole for the tree. I am digging a hole for the tree. I am trimming the hedges. I am trimming the hedges. I am raking the leaves. I am raking the leaves. I am mowing the lawn. I am mowing the lawn. I am weeding the garden. I am weeding the garden. I am harvesting vegetables. I am harvesting vegetables. I am planting a tree. I am planting a tree. I am mixing the soil with compost. I am mixing the soil with compost. I am planting flowers. I am planting flowers. I am harvesting fruits. I am harvesting fruits. I am spraying pesticides. I am spraying pesticides. I am mulching around a tree. I am mulching around a tree. I am composting organic waste. I am composting organic waste. I am collecting rainwater. I am collecting rainwater. I am transplanting rice seedlings. I am transplanting rice seedlings. I am checking for pests. I am checking for pests. I am cleaning garden tools. I am cleaning garden tools. I am building a fence. I am building a fence. I am painting garden furniture. I am painting garden furniture. I am feeding the birds. I am feeding the birds. I am spraying the plants with water. I am spraying the plants with water. I am hoeing the soil. I am hoeing the soil. I am tilling the garden. I am tilling the garden. I am grafting the fruit trees. I am grafting the fruit trees. I am harvesting the herbs. I am harvesting the herbs. I am harvesting the potatoes. I am harvesting the potatoes. I am sweeping the garden path. I am sweeping the garden path. I am cutting the flowers for a bouquet. I am cutting the flowers for a bouquet. I am pinching out plant side shoots. I am pinching out plant side shoots. I am sowing the seeds in the garden. I am sowing the seeds in the garden. I am building a garden bed. I am building a garden bed. I am harvesting the tomatoes. I am harvesting the tomatoes. I am planting some new flower seeds today. I am planting some new flower seeds today. I water the plants every morning. I water the plants every morning. I love the smell of fresh cut grass. I love the smell of fresh cut grass. I am weeding the garden to keep it tidy. I am weeding the garden to keep it tidy. I enjoy watching the butterflies in my garden. I enjoy watching the butterflies in my garden. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.